Hello everyone, TechAid TV here. In for today's video is we have this Brother DCP-T420W printer. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to disassemble and fix this shadow printout problem of this Brother DCP-T420W. But let me first test print the unit before we proceed to show you the actual printout issue. So here on its sample printout, we can see here a broken line and text misalignment and shadow printout problem. When you encounter this issue, the first step that we need to do is initially clean the encoder strip and PF encoder disk sensor. So in order to clean the encoder strip and PF encoder disk sensor, the first step that we have to do is to disassemble the unit. So to start disassembling the unit, press and hold the power button to turn off your printer. Then right after, unplug the USB cable and power cord. Remove the paper cassette tray. So now we can start disassembling the unit. We need to remove the printer scanner in order to access your printer's encoder strip and PF encoder disk. So please follow me in this video, step by step. Then after we remove the top cover or the printer scanner, we can now access the Carriage Encoder strip and PF encoder disk. Then the next step that we need to do is to get cleaning tissue and slowly rub the Carriage Encoder strip to remove the dirt and ink stained on the Carriage Encoder strip. On cleaning your Carriage Encoder strip, please do not use a strong cleaning solution like isopropyl alcohol. I only recommend small amount of tap water or just use a clean tissue only to clean and remove the dirt and stain on your Carriage Encoder strip and PF encoder disk. Then after cleaning the PF encoder disk, kindly double check if the dirt or stain are completely removed. If no, please remove the old PF encoder disk and replace it with the new PF encoder disk in order to resolve the broken line printout problem. You can purchase this new PF encoder disk on the link down on the description of this video. Then after cleaning the Carriage Encoder strip and PF encoder disk, we may now assemble the unit. And then we may now insert the paper cassette tray. Then plug in the power cord and USB cable. Then we have now run a print test page to see if the shadow and broken printout issue is resolved. So here's the printout quality now, after the cleaning process. As we notice here, that broken white lines remains, but the shadow problem on a text printout has been resolved, and that broken white line problem is probably a clogged printhead problem. However, the shadow on text printout issue is caused by a dirt carriage encoder strip. So just let me compare the printout before and after to see the difference. So before, we can see this text misalignment problem. But after we've done cleaning the carriage encoder strip, the misalignment and shadow text printout problem has been resolved. And that's the simple step-by-step procedure on how to disassemble and clean your carriage encoder strip and PF encoder disk for this Brother DCP-T420W printer. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.